Welcome to Class 1 Math Magic NCERT Mathematics Chapter 1 Shapes and Space. Story of the Arab and his Camel. The Arab and his Camel. It was a cold winter day. The Arab was traveling on the camel's back. At night, the Arab pitched his tent and went inside it. So children, what happened here? This is a story of an Arab and his camel. You all know the animal camel? Yes, where you will find the camels? In the deserts. So it was a cold winter day, it seems. It was very cold day and the Arab was traveling on the camel's back. You can see in the picture here the Arab is traveling on the camel. And at night he pitched a tent for himself and he went inside it. Why? Because it was very cool. The camel was outside. So where was the camel in this image? You can see the camel is outside and the Arab is inside. Inside the tent. Where is the Arab? The Arab is inside the tent. And where is the camel? Camel is outside the tent. And inside means what? You can say andar, bhitar or anything in Hindi. And outside means bahar. So inside means in something, inside something. And outside means standing outside. Like if you're sitting inside the classroom, what you will say? I'm sitting inside the classroom. And if you are outside the classroom, then you will say, I'm standing outside the classroom. Andar, bahar. Now let's see, continue the story. May I put my neck inside? It is too cold outside. So what did the camel say? It's very cool outside. May I put my neck inside? Okay, you may put your neck inside. Then what did the Arab say? Yes, you can put your neck inside. You can see in the image, the neck is inside the tent. May I put my front legs inside? It is too cold outside. Then what did the camel say? Let me put my front legs inside because it is very cold outside. Then the Arab said, okay, you may put your front legs inside. Here you can see the camel's front legs and neck both are inside and they both got adjusted in the tent. Now, can I come inside? It's too cold outside. What did the camel say? That let me come inside. It's very cool outside. Then the Arab said, oh no, the tent is too small for both of us. Then what did the Arab said? The tent is very small that only one person can fit inside. Then what happened? So I am coming inside and you go outside. Now what happened? The camel came inside the tent and the Arab went outside the tent because only one person can sit inside the tent. For example, see here you can see the cat. Where is the cat? Inside the box or outside the box? Outside the box. And now you can see the cat here. Where is the cat? Inside the box. Like the camel is inside the box, this cat is inside the box. And the Arab is outside the box, and the cat here is outside the box. Inside and outside. Inside means bhitar, andar, and outside means bahar. Okay, children? Now, bigger, smaller. Take the bigger object. Here you can see one hippopotamus and a dog. And hippopotamus is bigger. So no, in size, which is bigger, hippopotamus or the dog? Hippopotamus. So hippopotamus is bigger, that is bada. And the dog is smaller, that is chota. Bada, chota. Bigger, smaller. Okay, children, understood? So in this, which one you will take now, hippopotamus or the dog? Hippopotamus, because hippopotamus is bigger. The next question, tick the smaller, whichever is smaller in that you have to tick. In the first one, two leaves are given, yes or no? This is the first leaf and this is the second leaf, and this is bigger and this is smaller. What you have to do? You have to tick the smaller. So which one you will take? This. Yes, very good. In the next one squirrel is given and a cow is given. So which is the smaller in this? Which is the smaller? The squirrel is the smaller. So you will tick the squirrel. Next, tick the smaller tire. You can see tires here is 1 and 2. Two tires are there. So which is bigger in this? This is bigger and this is smaller. This is bada, ye chota hai. So smaller you have to take. So which one you will take? This one. Okay. Now next one. Biggest and smallest, page number 4. So just now we have seen bigger and smaller. When two objects are there, we can say which is bigger and which is smaller. But when you compare things more than two, if the objects which you have taken are more than two, then comes the concept of biggest and smallest. Okay, children. For example, here you can see 3 trees. Yes or no? 3 trees you can see here. So the first one, this one is small. Small means chota. And the next, this is smaller. Adhik chota. And this is the third one, which is the smallest one. That is sabse chota. So when you are comparing things, when you are comparing more than two things, then you will get the concept of small, smaller concept. And similarly, big, bigger, and biggest. Okay, so when you compare which is small in this, what happens? This is the smallest tree. Yes or no? When we compare these 3 trees, this is the smallest tree. Sabse chota hai. So that's why this is called as smallest. So you should not confuse. So seeing this, you should not put it as smallest, because in this 3, which is the smallest, this is the smallest. So this is smallest, this is small, and this is smaller. Chota, adhik chota, sabse chota. Okay. Similarly, in the concept of big, bigger, and biggest also. So this is big. This is big than that tree. This is bigger. That is bahut bada. And this is biggest. That is sabse bada. Bada, bahut bada, sabse bada. Chota, adhik chota, sabse chota. Small, smaller, smallest. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay, children. Now, take the smallest tree. Which is the smallest tree in this? Means which is the small. No other tree is small than that. Which is the smallest tree? This is the smallest tree. So you will put a tick for that. Now the next question. Tick the biggest animal. Which is the biggest animal? You tell me which is the biggest animal? Elephant is the biggest animal here. Yes or no? Big, bigger, biggest. Okay? Big, bigger, biggest. Now next one, take the smallest fruit. Which fruit is smallest here? The cherry is the smallest fruit here. Small, smaller, smallest. Take the biggest bubble. Which is the biggest bubble? Among the bubbles given here, सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? Which is the biggest, more bigger? This is the biggest one. So you will take this one. Understood, children? Now next, top and bottom. Now here you can see a slide here. One boy is sitting on the top and the other boy is bottom here, at the bottom here. Similarly, here you can see a bird which is on top of a tree and a cat which is at the bottom. So what is the meaning of top? Upar. And what is the meaning of bottom? Niche. Upar, niche. Top means when you sit at top of anything, then it is top. Like the bird is on top of a tree, the boy is on top of the slide. Similarly, bottom means at the bottom, niche. So this boy is standing at the bottom of the slide. Here the boy is bottom at the slide. The cat is at the bottom of the tree, like that. Understood? Top, bottom. Now tick the pot on the top. Which is there on the top means upar. कौन सा है which is there on the top? This is at the top. The next one. Tick the animal at the bottom of the stairs. Which is at the bottom? This is at the bottom. This puppy is at the bottom of the stairs. Okay, children. Now let's continue. Nearer and farther. Now when you see, you can see a bird here. The bird is near to this house. Yes or no? So we call it as nearer. And this bird is farther. Nearer, farther. Nearer means what you can say in Hindi? Pass, nikat and all. Farther means dur. Pass, dur. Nearer means you are near to something. Farther means you are very far. Now next, tick the bird nearer to the home. Which bird is nearer to the home? Here's the home, and which is nearer? This is nearer. So we will tick this one. Next one, tick the cat farther from the tree. Where is the tree? Tree is here. Farther means dur, very far. Which is farther? This is farther. Okay, children. Now next one, nearest and farthest. Similarly, like we did biggest and smallest, when we compare more than two things, then we get the concept of nearest and farthest. For example, this boy, here is a swing, ऐसा no jula. This boy is nearest to the swing. Nearest means वो पास में है, is nearest. Whereas this girl is farthest from the swing. Nearest means नजदीक. Farthest means सबसे दूर, अधिक दूर. Okay. Now, take the puppy farthest from the tree. This is the tree. Which is the farthest? The last one will be the farthest. Next, tick the tree nearest from the bird. Which tree is nearest from the bird? Here three trees are there. So, which tree is nearest to the bird? This tree. Okay. Now, next one. On, under, above and below, page number 8. On. On the table. The cat is sitting on the table. It is cat table पे बैठा हुआ है. So no, it's sitting on the table. When you're sitting on any object, then what will say? On. Like the children are sitting on the desk. This boy is sitting on the table. Understood, children? And if any object is under anything, then we call it as under the table, niche. Like you can see here, a rat is there. The rat is under the table. You can see this boy also. This boy is sitting under the table. Understood? On, under, on, under. Now we will see above and below. Above means upper. For example, this fan is there. The fan is above the table. Did you understand the difference between on and above? On means you're sitting on that, like the cat is sitting on the table, and above means upper. It's above the table, and this boy is sitting exactly below the fan. On, under, above, below. Okay. The next one, discuss near, far, top and bottom. Already we discussed the concept of near, nazdik, far, dur, top, upper, bottom, niche. Now, okay children, understood? Near means pass, far means dur, top means upper, bottom means niche. Now we have to discuss for this what we can see. This house is near to the well. Yes or no? Is this house near to the well or not? Yes, this house is near to the well. For example, these ladies are standing near to the well. Like this also we can say. So we discuss near. Now let's discuss far. Far means bahut dur hai. It's very far. These houses are far from the well. As I said, this house is near to the well. These houses are far from the well. Like these women are near to the well and this woman is far from the well. Okay. Now next, top and bottom. You can see a bird sitting on top of a tree. The bird is sitting on top of a tree. The lady has kept the pot on top of her head. Understood? And next, bottom means niche. This pot is lying at the bottom. And similarly, the kids are sitting at the bottom. And you can see a truck here as a bullock cart here. A boy is sitting on top of the bullock cart. Okay? Like this, children. Now next, shapes around us. Put the shapes in the pink and yellow boxes by drawing a line. By drawing a line like this, we have to arrange these shapes which are given into the boxes, pink box and yellow box. In pink box, what you will place? All dice shaped items you will place it here. That is, how is the dice shape? It's like a box. So no, all that you will put here. And here what is there? A ball is there. All ball shaped items, circle shaped, round shaped items, you will place it here. So you will draw an arrow like that. First, let's see the dice shape. This chalk box, we will put it here, and then this parcel box, we'll put it here, and then Here gift box is there, that we will put it here. One more box is there like shoe box, that also we'll put it here. Now coming to the ball shaped items, orange, ball, tomato and balloon, all that we will put it in this yellow box. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Match the similar shapes by drawing a line. Similar shapes should be matched by drawing a line. For example, this dice is matched with this box. So now you can see some box here. It's looking at similar shape. We have matched it. Similarly, the next one, this chalk box is similar to this gift box. So we matched from here to here. Next one, the ball. This ball and this ball are having similar shape. So we have matched it. And tomato and this balloon are having similar shape. So we matched that one. Next, sort the shapes by joining with similar shapes. What we have to do? We have to sort. Like for example, this cylinder shape is there. We have matched to the cylinder shape. Like this, the box die shaped is there. All die shape we have to match from here. This cap you can see cone shaped, all cone shaped we have to match. Similarly, circles we have to match. So let's start. First, circles. So no, this ball is in circle, round shape. So we match to here. Next, the balloon. So no, the balloon is in round shape. Next, this watermelon. Sorry. Okay. Now coming to the next one. What is this box shape one? So box shape one, this is in the box shape one, we have matched that. Next, this brick is in box shape, so we have matched that. Next, this gift box, we have matched it. Anything else left out? No. Now coming to the cone shape, this ice cream cone is there, wafer cone, that we have matched to the cone shaped. Next one, this cap is on a joker's cap, is also in the shape of a cone. Next one, here you can see the cone shape. So we have matched that also. Now coming to the, see one more round shape is there. I forgot to match that. So I have matched it now. The orange is also in round shape. Now coming to the cylinder shape. This water bottle is in cylinder shape. Here something is there. Yes or no? This is in the cylinder shape. Now next, this is also in cylinder shape. And this is also in cylinder shape. And one more left out is this candle. This is also in cylinder shape. So seeing this, you're confused little bit how to match. So no, so that's why what I did, I have kept here 4 rows in which we can match it. First, in this column, you will put the circle shape. Next, all this die shape, that is box shaped, cone shaped, and cylinder shape we will place here. Okay. Now first coming to circles. Orange, yes. Next that ball, balloon, watermelon. Did we match all the circle shapes into circle? Next, die shape. This box is brick, gift box. Okay. Now coming to the cone shape. This ice cream, joker's cap, this cone shaped one. Okay. Next, cylinder shape. Water bottle. This some cylinder shaped item is here. Yes. Next, one more tin is there. Battery, candle. So now is it easy to understand the shapes? Yes. Now, next one, sorting. Make pairs of similar shapes, page number 11. So, similar shapes, like this ice cream cone is there, it is similar to this joker's cap. So, no, so they have matched it. Similarly, we have to do. First, bottle. Bottle similar, it's like this, battery. Now, next one, watermelon is similar to this. The shape is similar to this, balloon. Next one, brick, this gift box. Next, this cylinder shaped one is there which is similar to this candle. Next one is this funnel is similar to this cap. Next, the cylinder drum is similar to this cylinder tin. Okay, children? Now, the next one. Tomato is similar to the shape of this ball. Rolling and sliding. So here you can see 2 images are given. Here the boy is rolling a ball and here she has put one gift box. Now we will see which will roll and which will slide. First, to understand what is rolling, see I have put a ball. What is happening? It is rolling and going. This is called as rolling. And sliding means here the girl is sliding. So whichever objects have round shape, the surface is round, that will roll. And if the surface is flat, then the object will slide. Okay, children? Now let's do the exercise. Tick the objects that will roll. Now you have to tick the objects that will roll. A pencil will roll. Yes. A ball will roll. Yes. This butter will roll. No, because it is flat surface. It will not roll. Onion, that will also roll. Now tick the objects that will slide. Which will slide? Tell me easily, you can say which has a flat surface that will slide. So this briefcase will slide. Now, wise grandmother, page number 13. Once there was a lamb going to see his grandmother. On the way through the jungle, he met a wolf. I am going to eat you. So, what happened? Once a lamb was going to see his grandmother. What is a lamb? A baby sheep is called as lamb. So, on the way in the jungle, while going through the jungle, he met a wolf, and the wolf said, I am going to eat you. Please let me go. I'm going to meet my grandmother. You can meet me when I return. Okay, you can go. Then what did the lamb say? I'm going to meet my grandmother. You eat me when I return. Then what did the fox say? Okay, now you go. When he was about to return, he told the grandmother about the wolf. The grandmother gave him an idea. When the grandmother was told by the lamb that a fox is waiting for him to eat, then the grandmother gave an idea. Let's see what is the idea. Go and hide yourself in a dholak. You can see the dholak, this musical instrument. You hide it in a dholak. He did like that only what the grandmother said. The grandmother rode the dholak on the road, and the dholak started rolling down. So on the road she rolled the dholak. So as the surface is round, so what will happen? It will roll. It will slide or roll? Roll. Why? The surface is round. The lamb saw the wolf waiting for him. Did you see a lamb coming this way? He went to the dholak and asked, Did you see any lamb coming this way? Then the dholak replied, No. Then the wolf grew suspicious, that is, it doubted and started running behind the dholak. It got doubt how a dholak can answer. It got suspicious and it started running back of the dholak. Then what happened? Before the wolf could catch him, the lamb reached home and was thankful to his grandmother. So, before the fox will come and reach him, he reached his house, went inside his house, and closed his door. Now shapes. Match the shapes of same size. Of same size which you find, you have to match. Like one is done for you, the next one. This is similar to the second one. The next third triangle is similar to this triangle. Next fourth triangle is similar to this. This is the smallest one. This is similar to this one. Okay. Now match the same shapes. Page number 16. Now first here you have to match the shapes which are similar. Like this rectangle is similar to this rectangle. Now first what is the one? Circle. So where is circle shaped one? Here. Here. So you will match it here. Next it's like a square. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next which one you can find here? 4 shaped one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will match this to this. Next is 3 side triangle. So where is the triangle? Here. So you'll match it here. This is already done for you. Next, this is half of a circle, that is semicircle. Where is a semicircle? Here. So you'll match it here. Next, see here how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. That is pentagon. With 5 sides shape is called as pentagon. Where is another pentagon? Here. So we will match it here. Okay, children. The next one, color the smallest shape. Whichever is smallest, you have to color it. For example, here the rectangles are given. Which is smallest? This is smallest, so you colored this. Now in the circles, which is the smallest? This is smallest. So what you will do? You will color this. Okay. Now this is a triangle. Which is the smallest? This is the smallest. So we will color this. Next, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides is called as pentagon. Which is smallest? This is smallest. So you will color this. सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? You will color that. Join these similar shapes. Similar shapes we have to join, like one is done for you. This is square shaped. You can see where is square shaped here. So it is matched. Similarly, you have to do. Now what shape is this? Triangle. Where you can find one more triangle shape here. So you will match it to here. Or circle. Where is the other circle shaped one? See, it's here. So you will match it there. Now next, this is a cylinder shape. Where is the other cylinder shape? Here. Understood, children? Now let's move on. Color triangle as green. Wherever you will find the triangle, what you will do, you will color it like green. This one is green. Yes. The next, this one is green. Next, that is green. That is also green. That is also green. And here also you can find triangles in the flowers. So that is also we are going to color it as green. Understood? Now next, red. Circle as red. So this circle as red. And one more circle as red. Next, the sun is also in red color. Circle. This is also in red color. Next, these flowers are also in circle shape. Yes or no? So, all those we will color it as red. Okay, children? Color it as red. Next, this rectangle in blue color. So, wherever you will find the rectangle, you will color it as blue. Understood? So, door is also rectangle. That is also rectangle. This is also rectangle. The tree bottom part is also rectangles. And the flower stem is also rectangle. That also we color. So, understood how you will do this? Now, next, wherever triangle is there, you color it as green. Circle as pink. These circles as pink and rectangles as yellow. So how you will color? You will color it like this. Okay, children, understood how to do all this? By this, we have completed our first chapter. Okay, we'll meet in the next chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.